Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Laura, Marketing Director for Sallie Tomato. The holiday countdown has begun. Let's unbox day 2 of our Holiday Royale Advent Box. Day 2. The rich and vibrant hues found in today's assortment perfectly complement the treasures you have yet to unveil. Let's see what we have. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is an exclusive zipper bundle put together just for this Advent box and all the Holiday Royale colors. This zipper bundle includes 5 yards of zippers in new colors and the new zipper pulls. You get 1 yard of Harbor color tape with nickel finish, burgundy color tape with gunmetal finish, fern tape with gunmetal finish, brown tape with nickel finish, and natural tape with gold finish. You also get these beautiful zipper pulls in nickel rounded rectangle pulls, gold key pulls, gunmetal tassel cap pulls, gunmetal present pulls, and the nickel Eiffel Tower pulls. If you are new to Sallie Tomato zippers, we have some helpful tips for you. Since Sallie Tomato zippers are made with nylon teeth, you can easily cut and sew through them. There is no need to worry about breaking a needle when you're using these zippers since they are not metal. With our wider zipper tape, installation into your project is also simpler. If you aren't sure how to slide on your zipper pulls, check out our YouTube tutorial and it walks you through the process step by step. You can find the link for this tutorial in the video description below this video. Sallie Tomato zippers are a staple in bag making, and we can't wait to see how you utilize these in your next project. If you want to purchase next year's Sallie Tomato Advent Box, be sure to click on the link below to sign up for our newsletter so you get notified right away when this becomes available. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos that we have in store for you. Be sure to check out tomorrow's day as we unveil day 3 in the 2024 Sallie Tomato Advent Box. Thanks for watching.